Hey folks, Thursday morning, last trading day of the month, also the last trading day of the quarter. What are we seeing? Markets very quiet overnight, not a lot of activity with the exception of two markets. One, euro dollar, that euro down 0.5% against the dollar, trading at one spot with a 1.11 handle. So we're seeing a big move in the euro dollar. Also seeing a big move in oil overnight. President Biden said that they're going to open up the strategic oil reserve, pumping more oil into the market. That's putting an immense amount of pressure on oil. WTI down 6% as we head into the stock market open, trading at $101 a barrel in that WTI contract. Now, again, markets this month looking to finish up to the tune of about 5%, 4 to 5%. S&P and Nasdaq up 5%, Dow Jones up 4%. Still down on the quarter. Both S&P and Dow Jones are down about 3% on the quarter, and the Nasdaq is down 7% on the quarter. So we're making a bit of that back with the month of March. It's been a strong month. We'll see if that continues into the month of April. Another big month on tap. At least concerns and uncertainty around inflation. What's the Fed going to do to ward that off? Also, Ukraine and Russia, obviously still a massive concern. So very quiet overnight session with the exception of those two markets we talked about. Bound to be some more volatility today. That oil market's definitely rocking. Let's get in there. Everybody trade some price action today. Have a great Thursday. Have a great end to the month. And let's get ready to start April off with the bang. All right, folks, have a great day.